Hi, it's Exploring John. We're here today to take a look at the cicadas. We're here to listen to the cicadas. I hiked out here in the middle of the woods and we could hear the roar of the cicadas around us. Now the cicadas, 17-year locusts, they come up every 17 years. They climb up out of the ground. They shed their shell. They start making this noise as the mating call. They mate. The female lays eggs at the tips of branches of trees. And then both the cicadas die off. The larvae, they hatch, they drop to the ground, they burrow in, and wait another 17 years before they come out to repeat the cycle. So we moved out of the woods, we're at the edge of a field, and we see more of the cicadas flying now. You may have heard different noises. Cicadas make more than one noise. We're going to try and give you an up-close look at a cicada shell. See if we can capture it. And that cicada's talking to us. And here we see a bunch of shells. That's one of the sounds the cicada makes. That's our look at how loud the cicadas are out here in the middle of the woods. See you next time.